new Lego machine. I, the great and powerful Lord Mix-Up, will turn everyone into Lego minions to do my bidding.
Jake, over here! Lord Mix-Up has turned us all into Lego. You'll have to use your Lego making skills and turn us all back. Hurry! Go, build a machine, do something! Time is of the essence!
Nobody can stop me now.
Your time is over, Lord Mix-Up.
No! This isn't the last you'll see of me, Jake. I'll be back. I swear this isn't the last you'll see of me. I'll be back.